The Sahara Desert, a land so vast and barren it could easily swallow up entire countries within its sandy grasp. This magnificent expanse, the largest hot desert in the world, stretches across an impressive 3.6 million square miles. That's roughly the size of the entire United States. Situated in North Africa, the Sahara is a colossal patchwork of sand dunes, rocky plateaus and barren gravel plains. It spans across 11 countries, from the Atlantic Ocean to the Red Sea, including Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Western Sahara, Sudan and Tunisia. But the Sahara is more than just an immense desert. It's a place shrouded in mystery and fascination, a land where time seems to stand still. For centuries, explorers and scientists have been drawn to its mystique, eager to unravel its secrets and discover the stories buried beneath its shifting sands. The Sahara holds a paradox in its heart. It's a place of extreme conditions, scorching heat by day, freezing cold by night. Yet it's also a place of incredible beauty, where the golden dunes stretch as far as the eye can see, and the night sky is a blanket of stars unrivaled by any other place on Earth. Every grain of sand in the Sahara has a tale to tell, a story of ancient civilizations, of climate changes, of survival and adaptation. These stories are etched in the landscape, hidden in the wind-carved rocks and preserved in the fossilized remains of creatures that once roamed this land. Yet despite its harsh environment, the Sahara is not devoid of life. It's home to resilient species of plants and animals, and even humans who have adapted to its harsh conditions. Their existence is a testament to the indomitable spirit of life that persists even in the most inhospitable places. Beneath the Sahara's sandy dunes and scorching heat lies a history as old as time itself. The Sahara, as we know it today, wasn't always a desert. Its story begins millions of years ago, in a time when this now barren land teemed with life. Imagine, if you will, a verdant haven, a place where lush vegetation flourished under the heat of the African sun. This was the Sahara of the Miocene epoch, around 20 million years ago. It was a landscape of abundant greenery, interspersed with sprawling lakes and rivers. These water bodies were the lifeblood of the region, supporting a rich tapestry of life. The Sahara was home to a diverse array of species, from enormous prehistoric beasts to the smallest of insects. As the eons passed, the Earth's climate began to shift. The tectonic plates moved, altering the global weather patterns. The once plentiful rainfall that nurtured the Sahara's vibrant ecosystems started to dwindle. The lakes and rivers that had once been the region's lifeblood began to dry up. With less and less water, the lush vegetation started to wither and die. This was the beginning of a slow but relentless transformation. As the Sahara's greenery faded, the region's wildlife suffered. Many species were unable to adapt to the changing conditions and perished. However, some managed to survive, evolving to withstand the harsh, arid environment. These resilient creatures are the ancestors of the species that inhabit the Sahara today. The transformation of the Sahara was not an overnight event. It was a slow process that took millions of years. The gradual shift from a lush, vibrant landscape to an arid, barren desert is a testament to the Earth's long and complex geological history. The Sahara's story is a reminder of how dynamic our planet is. It's a testament to the ever-changing nature of our world, where even the most drastic transformations are possible over time. As the climate changed, so did the Sahara, evolving into the vast, arid expanse we see today. Despite its harsh conditions, the Sahara is not devoid of life. Indeed, the desert teems with a multitude of life forms, each uniquely adapted to survive in this challenging landscape. Let's start with the plant life. The Sahara is home to approximately 500 species of plants. These range from the resilient cacti with their water-storing capabilities to the date palms that flourish near the desert's oases. These plants have developed ingenious ways to thrive, such as growing long roots to tap into underground water sources or having small leaves to minimize water loss. The animal kingdom has also adapted to the desert's harsh conditions. The fennec fox, with its oversized ears that dissipate heat, and the dromedary camel, known as the ship of the desert, are two prime examples. The camel can drink up to 40 gallons of water at a time and can endure weeks without water thanks to its hump, which stores fat that can be converted to water and energy. Insects, reptiles and birds also populate the Sahara. The desert locust, sidewinder snakes and the secretary bird, known for its long legs and hunting skills, are just a few examples. Each species has found its own way to survive, whether that's by burrowing into the cool sand to escape the heat, or by migrating to cooler areas during the hottest months. But the Sahara is not only home to flora and fauna. Several human communities have made this desert their home. Notably, the Berbers and Bedouins have adapted their lifestyles to the desert environment. They've mastered the art of nomadic living, moving from place to place in search of water and grazing lands for their livestock. They've developed unique skills to live in harmony with the desert, such as understanding the desert's weather patterns and navigating by the stars. Through resilience and adaptation, life finds a way, even in the harshest of environments. The Sahara, with its scorching heat and vast sand dunes, is a testament to the indomitable spirit of life. Whether it's a cactus standing tall amidst the sand or a Berber navigating the endless dunes, life in the Sahara is a testament to the power of adaptation and resilience. The Sahara may seem isolated, but its impact extends far beyond its boundaries. This vast desert, while barren and harsh, plays an incredible role in our global climate. First, let's talk about the Saharan air layer, or SAL. This is a dry, dusty layer of the atmosphere that originates over the Sahara during the late spring, summer and early fall. Now, you might be thinking, what's a dusty layer of air doing for our climate? Well, it's quite fascinating. The SAL carries dust and dry air over the Atlantic Ocean, affecting weather patterns and even inhibiting the development of hurricanes. Yes, this desert could be a factor in whether or not your summer vacation gets rained out. But the Sahara's influence doesn't stop there. This desert is also a mighty contributor to the Amazon's fertility. Surprised? Let's break it down. Each year, millions of tons of Saharan dust, rich in essential nutrients like phosphorus, are carried over the Atlantic and deposited in the Amazon rainforest. This dust replenishes nutrients in the Amazon's soil, essentially feeding one of the most diverse ecosystems on our planet. Talk about a long-distance relationship. Finally, the Sahara's role in the Atlantic hurricane season is not to be ignored. While the Saharan air layer can inhibit hurricane development, it's a delicate balance. Too much dust can suppress storms, but just the right amount can fuel them. Scientists are still studying this complex relationship, but it's clear that the Sahara is a significant player in the game. So, despite its reputation as a desolate wasteland, the Sahara is far from being disconnected from the world. It's a climate powerhouse, impacting weather patterns, feeding faraway rainforests, and even influencing hurricane seasons. From its hot sands, the Sahara breathes life into distant lands. The Sahara continues to evolve, its sands shifting with the winds of time. Today, scientists from around the globe converge on this vast expanse, unraveling the secrets hidden beneath its golden grains. Their research sheds light on the profound implications of desertification and climate change, not just for the Sahara but for the world. As the Sahara expands, it doesn't just transform landscapes but also affects weather patterns and livelihoods far beyond its borders. Yet, the Sahara is not just a harbinger of challenges, it also holds immense potential. Imagine harnessing the Sahara's relentless sun for renewable energy. Imagine turning its vastness into a powerhouse that could light up cities, even countries, and help combat climate change. The Sahara, a testament to nature's power and resilience, continues to shape and be shaped by the forces of the earth. It's a fascinating dance of nature, one that we'll continue to study, learn from and marvel at, today and beyond.